So my name's Jennifer and this is Erin, and we're from Valencia, California. We've lived in this home for about 11 years and we decided we needed some new home improvements. So we called Mike at America Green Builders, and our first meeting we were very impressed. He gave us a design for a kitchen that made it so much more functional and so nice. And we were so impressed with his design that we continued to ask his opinion on flooring and then ended up remodeling our master bathroom. And along the way did some other nice home upgrades like doors and paint and baseboards, and the list goes on. And Mike helped us the whole way through, starting with picking out tile, countertops, cabinets, lots of finishing materials.
And throughout the whole process, America Green Builders came up with a lot of solutions we wouldn't have thought about in the beginning. And Mike, the owner, was a great collaborator in the project and had a crew that came out and executed the project on time, and it was done in a pretty short amount of time, about 2 months. It was a great experience.